Today we learn how to tell time. The red hand tells the hours, the blue hand the minutes. Each time the blue hand moves around the clock one time, it equals 1 hour. Let's begin. Both hands begin moving around the clock, but the blue hand moves much faster than the red hand. When it gets to the top, it will be 1 o'clock. The blue hand must move faster than the red hand because as the red hand moves between each number, the blue hand has to go all the way around. Now it's 2 o'clock. When the minute hand points straight down, it will be 2:30. Now it's 3 o'clock. And in a moment, it will be 3:30. And now, coming to the top again, it'll be 4 o'clock. And then 4:30. And then 5 o'clock. And then 5:30. When it gets to the top, it will be 6 o'clock. Then 6:15. And 6:30. And 7:15. And now 7 o'clock. And 7:15. And 7:30. And 7:45. And 8 o'clock. Now 8:15. 8:30. 8:45. And 9 o'clock. Now 9:15. 9:30. 9:45. And 10 o'clock. 10:15. 10:30. 11:15. And 11 o'clock. 11:15. 11:30. 12:15. And 12 o'clock. We did it!